There, Ricardo, Tina, and John, whoever's watching this, got me some hot dogs hot sauce and mixed it up with some water to get it nice and potent. Oh my god, I can smell it from here. Take Tina. Ooh. And just pour it. Ah, it's really potent. Put a little bit too much in there. All right. You take this right here. Got it loaded already with a CO2. Put it in like that. Boom. And you twist it. Can't really do it holding the phone, but anyways, you twist this on and it's ready to go. Oh yeah, mess with me now. Let's try this little flashbang here, see how it does. I got a few of them, so experiment where you pull this little pin and throw it and kaboom. So let's do this. All right, first of all, I gotta do this with one hand here. So, oh, there went the pin. Just drop the pin there, and you just boom. Now you throw your hot sauce and stuff in there, and booyah, it goes everywhere. Look at that.